everyone! Today we're watching Beanie's performance of the Coconut Nut from their Beaniverse World Tour. I'm super excited for this. Let's hit play and enjoy it together. Play. Big shout out to Jovaga777 for uploading this video. This was actually their first song, the Coconut Nut. Do you know that? Ngayon lang. The choreography is so cute. It really matches the fun vibe of the song. Cute. There's such a joy to watch. It's not a nut. Ay, tama ba? This performance is making me crave coconut. I love that coconut. I love that coconut. Hindi, kanta pa more. Naku, baka makapiright tayo. Their voices still sound so clear and strong even without sounding tired. This is concert, right? They probably performed a lot already, but their vocals are still on point. Their dance performances are always full on and energetic during concert, diba? Pero talagang hindi mo makikitang pagod sila and talaga makikita mo na gustong-gusto talaga nila yung ginagawa nila and nag-e-enjoy talaga sila. Yeah. I love the coconut. Tama ba yung lyrics ko? I don't know. I love the coconut. The crowd. Hindi ako nagpapakit sa screen. Nakikisabay lang ako. Nag-enjoy talaga ako manood. I really enjoyed that. You could probably tell I was speechless the whole time, but now for my overall thoughts. Pero mamaya na. Hindi pa tapos. Nag-joke lang ako. Mauna ka magbibigay ng thoughts. Pero pansin nyo naman, di ba? Okay. Speechless talaga ako. Magbigay ka na nga. Okay. This is apparently their first song. Yeah. Okay. So this is the first time I'm hearing and watching this song of theirs. The song is cute. It has a Twice vibe. It's a shame I couldn't really see their dance here. Malayo kasi. Malayo. Hindi ko masyado makita. But their voices, hindi siya lumapit na. Were definitely live. Yeah. Diba? Yes. Dinig na dinig ko eh. Parang wala sila masyadong backing vocals. And they also had a dance break here. Basically, they remade this song because I've heard the original. Batang 90s, ganun. They changed some parts, added some
I think,
Batang 90s ka ba?
hindi. And there's a high note. If I'm not mistaken, Malays ang the high part. Itama niyo ako if I'm wrong. Overall, I say it's a fun song, cute song. I'm not usually into this genre, but I enjoy their performance. So the rating I'll give them from 1 to 10 is 10.
I really had so much fun watching this performance. Bini absolutely owned this stage with their energy, charm, and vocals. The Coconut Nut maybe their first song, diba? But it's still so fresh and fun to watch, especially with their synchronized and super cute choreography. Even after performing so many songs, their voices were still so clear and strong. This performance just proves how consistent and talented they are as a group. I'm truly impressed. Lagi ko sinasabi yan. Kaya ang ibibigay ko na score is 10-10. Perfect.